Well, as far as I know. All right. Hey, Tara is back with a Basketweave bowl. Now, this bowl is gorgeous. Table just rolled on me.
I know. Me too.
Sorry
I was like, oh,
okay.
boy.
Excuse me. This is, what do we have here? A card.
Oh, it's our largest.
I wrote it right here. Largest salad bowl. See, I wrote it right there.
5 quarts, which I love. Our Basketweave, can I brag on Basketweave a little bit, David? What I love about Basketweave is that it's truly this up-and-coming pattern that so many of you have loved, layer upon layer of sculptural detail, starting first and foremost with that beautiful, delicate basket that then has a tea stain applied to it. On top of that, you have the hand painting of your old world or your floral lace, layered on top of that. Piped around the edges, you have that beautiful beading. And then on the inside, you have another layer of that gorgeous hand painting. So 5 quart in total capacity. Look at how beautiful our stainless steel servers are as well. And they're ceramic tipped and coordinate back perfectly. This is a showstopper piece. This turned out absolutely stunning.
Now, we also have your favorite old world and floral lace colors, but remember, all have that beautiful tea-stained basket weave appearance, giving it a vintage-like appearance.
I like
that. Really lovely. Now, 6 easy payments on this. That credit card offer means not only the easy, but also it arrives in time for Christmas.
Perfect.
So this one is
our Festive Fetty
in Basketweave. Isn't that cool? Then I've got it for you in green, confetti, and down below is the blue. Over here, I've got it for you in eggplant, red, 300 red. Here's cranberry, 300 in the cranberry. Here it is in black, 250, spice, 150, and brown, 230. Festive in floral lace, Basketweave floral lace. Isn't that gorgeous?
So beautiful.
180, all I have left there. Move on over to eggplant. Here's your blue. Here's your green. Okay. Light blue, 350. Cranberry, 350. Red, available. Say it with me.
Chocolate.
How's the chocolate? Good.
Delicious.
Spice, 350. And black, available. 200 of these are now gone. The largest salad bowl Tara makes.
Yes.
This is 6 easy payments. $64 is what you might pay for a comparable item at retail. We're over $24 less.
Yes. It's incredible. And I have to say, everybody can use a bowl. So whether this is something that you're gifting to yourself, a little to me from me, or it's something that you want to share, how about doing...
Heavens.
Yeah, I'm just going to actually pull it right out. 5 quarts. 5 quarts of cobbler. I love this. I love the fact that truly it's bubbling all the way around the edges and nothing is going to stick to the sides.
I'm going to need about 7 gallons of ice cream for that.
Yes, I'm sure you have it tucked away in your freezer. Who are you kidding?
Well, I mean, on an empty stomach, I could probably eat like 2 big bowls of that.
Yeah, of course. On an empty stomach, not today, not after today's show. Look, we did a deep dish pizza again. Have we met? We did another deep dish pizza here, which I love that also. Think about it. Our bowls are bakers as well. So you can do things like deep dish. You can do things like our cobbler. You can mix right in here. You can, of course, put it right in the oven up to 500 degrees, which is fantastic. And we have this beautiful ham that's going to go perfectly paired with those Brussels sprouts that you're throwing all over the table. About a 11-pound ham. So look how beautiful that is. All of the potatoes cut around it and then that ham nestled right on top. Oh, boy. This is what happens when 4 hours.
Well, that's what happens when you put Brussels sprouts in front of me. I'm like, bing, 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 bing.
Look at this pear salad. Maybe you'll like this a little bit better.
Oh, I love this.
Crumbled blue on top of this gorgeous pear salad. Look how beautiful that is. Staying nice and cold. And let's not forget, you have your servers. So you go right in there, serve. Everything goes right in the dishwasher, which is the best part.
What's nice on this salad, too?
Tell me.
Candied bacon.
Oh,
you get thicker cuts of bacon and cut them almost into little lardons.
Yum.
Fry those up, toss them in a little brown sugar, and then put them in there. They're chewy, they're sweet and salty. With the.
Do you buy them pre-made or you?
Well, you make them.
Oh, you make them.
Yeah, this is one of the shortcuts that you don't.
Got it.
Well, the problem is if you bought them pre-made, they'd be so loaded with preservatives.
Yeah, and like soggy. Not soggy, you know what, chewy.
So you make it big. Oh, so good.
Fresh.
So let me tell you, we are very busy. Over 1,000 are gone now.
Yeah, you're
if you want Festive Fetty, 100 left. Green, 380. Blue, confetti, 350. Blue, 275. Eggplant, 120. Red, 280. Cranberry, 250. Black, 200. Spice, 130. Brown, 200. Festive in floral lace.
So pretty.
Gone.
Ooh, it's
wow.
so beautiful. And it matches your soup Crocs. If you picked up the soup Crocs earlier, that will be perfect. Perfect accompaniment. There you can see the eggplant. I love the way that purple pops.
Eggplant. Very popular. Here's blue. Here's green. 300 left in the green. Light blue.
Love that.
320. Cranberry. Available. Red. Available. Chocolate. Available. Spice. 300. Black. Available. So all of this coming together for you, 6 easy payments. If you wanted to wrap it in a little cello and fill it full of all kinds of goodies.
I love that. I think this makes such a great gift, whether it's dried pasta, whether it's a bottle of wine. Now you have something that they can use year after year. And again, like we said, our bowls are bakers as well, which I love. I love the fact that, again, you can put these through the paces and tuck it in the dishwasher when you're done. We even baked a cake in it at the very end, which is, remember, take your KitchenAid hand mixer, mix right in there, put it right in the oven, and you're good to go.
So, Tira Tesher.
And we have so much more Basketweave coming next year. I'm just saying.
We also have a pie plate still to come in this show.
And the cutting boards.
And the brand new cutting boards that are so stinking cute.
So stinking cute.
Stick around, my darling.
Hey, did you notice I had my picture on?
I did notice. Did you notice this over here? Look, 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 look.
What?
Right here.
What?
Right here.
What?
Look, another one fell out. She's chasing me with Brussels sprouts, Mark Charles.
F you. Your time is up.
Either that or there's a little bird in there that would like to get out. What's going on in there? Hello, help me!
It's my